635. Ignore the sound in the background. Here is the ear flapping dog. He works now. Ears work. The gearbox works again. There was a gear that was stripped inside, so he was cracking. And what I did was I glued another kind of gear to that pulley, well, to a different pulley actually. And right now he works perfectly. So here he is.
Let's go. Don't want it for the weekend. Don't want it for a night. I'm only interested if I can have it tonight. Don't want it for a night. I'm only interested if I can have it tonight. I'll get it good.
Yep, and that's it. He also had a split gear in the ears, but now it's all fixed up and he's ready to go with my others. So this has been Zodic Peter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.